Good morning. How's everybody doing today? Dave in Kentucky here with some coffee, and we're going to get a shave on. And today is a vintage shave, all vintage stuff. Excuse me. It's a little after 4. Something in my throat. Anyway, this is a brush, a very small one, vintage wood one. Company is out of Chicago. It's from back in the late 1800s. And I'm trying to think. It's in English. It says it's pronounced Koch. In German, which is a German company, Koch is Koch, and you'll see it on like the plates and things on antique barber chairs, things like that, because they were in the barber things. Anyway, I digress. We have Williams shave stick, which I've made my own stick to put back in here, and it is out of Tonsorial. Williams. We're going to top things off with JB Williams Aqua Velva. Yep, that's yellow. Kind of a vetiver type scent to me. Razor today is a lather catcher. It is a new gem. I'm so sorry I clear my throat, but it beats choking to death here. So, new gem. Yes, I have an adapter in the back here. I don't know if it's showing up. The green thing there. Basically, you pull down on this bar, which lifts up these two things to slide that in, and then you put this clip on the back there. It does have the ability of this button here that opens this to be able to clean it. And I have a gem stainless steel blade in there, little wood handle. So, all right, let me get my face wet and get some lather going. Apologize, the lighting crew does not have the extra light up. You guys are fired. Okay. So like I said, I just took a tonsorial puck, graded it, turned it into another stick for here. While I rub this on here, how you all doing today? What are you shaving with? What's your preference? Modern razors, vintage razors? You like me, you just like them both? Okay, so to give you an idea, here is a modern rubber set 400 with a cashmere knot, and here's this one. Give you an idea of the size. Very small. But amazing what you can get accomplished even with a small brush. If we need more lather, it'll be easy enough since it's a stick we're using. But we're going to try to lather us up to get our 3 passes out of it without having to go back. We'll see. I'll be on the road next week for my shave, if I'm able to do one on video. Got a seminar, conference, whatever you want to call it, to go to. Let's throw out a dad joke for you here, and then we'll get started with our shave. hoping that gem blade is good in that. Been a little bit since I've used that, so you can see the soap we got there. The only thing flat earthers have to fear is sphere itself. S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. Here, get it? Yeah, you get it. Okay, so there we go. New gem. Actually, one of my favorite lather catchers. And I know there'll be people that say, oh, you don't need those adapters. I'm pretty certain, it's been a little while, like I said, but I'm pretty sure I tried using just the plain gem blade in this one, and it would not hold it without having the angle and thickness. So I was not using the adapter to get the proper angle on it, because you can adjust angle yourself, but the razor itself would not hold the blade without an adapter giving it the thickness it needed. So we'll just put that controversy to rest for this shave. And it looks like we're going to get our 3 passes out of that little brush. So there you go. 2 passes down pretty quick. So with the blade in there, you can't see it, but I think it's time to change that blade. So we get this pass done. When we clean the razor up, I'll pull that blade out and let you see a little bit more visually on the razor. Because under the blade, it's got the cutouts that say New Gem on it. Just a very decorative razor. think the blade is getting a little long in the tooth. You know, the dry erase board is the most remarkable invention. Nice. One more right there. Very good. All right, let me get a quick rinse here. All right, one more dad joke. Why do pancakes always win at baseball? Because they have the best batter. All right, let's clean up this brush real quick. Where are we at here? 12 minutes. We're doing good. And get a little towel drop on the brush. So a nice wood handle on this one. Try to get it in the light. I know, sorry. Anyway, very, very small. Not appears it compared to Bohr, the Galahad C3. So just, I don't know how many millimeters it is, but I'm guessing like 19, if that. So let me set that up there. And the razor here. So, like I said, this bar here, how was it that goes again? You pull it back, goes back. Yeah, there it goes. I don't want to force it. So you pull that back, that clip comes off, and you take that off. So there's the adapter with the blade. This is New Gem on it there. And of course this thing, like I said, opens off the back here. So nifty little lather catcher. One of my favorites to use, even with the short stubby handle on it. Let's get a little witch hazel here. And the J.B. Williams Aqua Velva. This is from back in the 50s, I think, at some point. And nothing like the blue Aqua Velva. All right, there we go, 14 and a half minutes. Okay. I used to think I was indecisive, but now I'm not so sure. That's an easy one there. Anyway, Dave in Kentucky, thanks for joining me for a shave. Thank you to the new subscribers. Appreciate you. Still, the majority of people that watch aren't subscribers. That's okay too. Just happy to showcase some of my vintage razors and things, also modern ones as they come out, ones that I'm enjoying using. I've got quite a few out on loan right now to some friends. But anyway, Dave in Kentucky, be kind, be safe out there, and we'll see you on the forum.